Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S7 versus the Porsche Panamera 4. Let's start with their impressive performance. The Audi S7 boasts a powerful V6 engine delivering 444 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque, achieving 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds. The Panamera 4's e-hybrid, with its 536 combined horsepower, is significantly quicker, hitting 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds, especially with the Sport Chrono package. Moving inside, both vehicles offer premium cabins. The Audi S7 features a sophisticated dual-screen MMI touch response system, providing intuitive control and a modern aesthetic. The Panamera 4's counters with a large 12.3-inch central touchscreen and integrated digital displays, emphasizing a driver-focused experience. Both cars include advanced connectivity and a suite of driver assistance technologies, ensuring a comfortable and safe journey. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi S7 offers a refined and comfortable ride, thanks to its standard adaptive air suspension, making it excellent for daily commuting and long trips. The Porsche Panamera 4's, however, provides a more engaging and sport-oriented driving experience with sharper handling. For practicality, the S7 boasts more cargo room, offering around 24.6 cubic feet, compared to the Panamera 4S's approximately 17.4 cubic feet. Considering value, the Audi S7 typically starts around $85,000, offering a compelling blend of luxury and performance. The Porsche Panamera 4, with its enhanced sportiness and brand prestige, usually begins closer to $115,000. Both cars represent significant investments, but they also provide strong resale value and a premium ownership experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.